Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. Today we're gonna learn how to change Facebook name. I'll show you the step-by-step process of doing it. Start by opening a Facebook application and tap on the menu button on the bottom right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy and again tap on Settings. You'll see a personal and account information on the top. Go inside it and then tap on Names. Now enter your new first name, middle name and last name. And you can review the change. Tap on Review the change and choose the way you want it to look like. Then enter your password and tap on Save Changes. Now you have successfully changed your Facebook account name. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar contents.